Unlock a universe of music and podcasts on your MacBook Air with this quick Spotify setup. Let's dive right in first. Open your web browser, like Safari or Chrome, on your MacBook Air. In the address bar, type Spotify.com, download and hit enter. This will take you directly to the official Spotify download page. You'll see a prominent button that says download for Mac. Click on this button. Your download will begin automatically. You'll see the Spotify installer file, usually named something like Spotify Installer, appearing in your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. You can usually find this by clicking the little arrow in the dock next to the trash icon. Locate the Spotify installer file and double-click it to open. A new window will pop up. You'll see the Spotify app icon and your applications folder icon. Simply drag the Spotify icon directly into the applications folder icon. This action copies the Spotify app to your computer's main application library. After the drag and drop is finished, you can close the installer window now. Head over to your applications folder. You can do this by opening Finder and selecting applications from the sidebar, or by using Spotlight search. Type Spotify and press enter. You should now see the Spotify app icon. Click on it to launch Spotify for the first time. You might be prompted to allow Spotify to access certain system features. Why go ahead and allow them for the best experience. You'll then be greeted with the Spotify login or sign up screen. If you already have a Spotify account, enter your credentials to log in. If not, you can easily create a new account for free or choose a premium plan. And there you have it. Spotify is now installed and ready to go on your MacBook Air, giving you instant access to millions of songs, podcasts, and curated playlists. Enjoy your enhanced music listening.